Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account, a paper trade account right here on Bitfinex. If you want to do this, we click here on the profile pic and then we go right there to accounts. Then here we have sub accounts and then right here we can create an account. So what we're going to do right here is create new sub account, select right here paper trading, then we do next and then fill in right now a new email address. Not the same that we are using right now, but a new email address. Then after that, a username, 2 times the password, and then we click right here on create. Then we need to fill in our 2-factor authentication, and we can do this in the Microsoft Authenticator app that we already did when we created our account. Then we fill in that code right here, and then we click right here on the shorter lines, next, shorter lines, next. And then right now we need to check our mail and fill in the 6-digit code that they sent us. So we will do this real quick. And there we go, sub account created, you're all set. So now we click on OK, and if you can see right here, we have our paper trade account created from here. So this is how you can create your own demo account. Aka paper trade account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.